gonna finish up a little bit of welding here, get this in, set the wheel up. We're gonna put a brake on it and I'm gonna ride it and then bring it back in and finish off the rest. Oh, motherfucker! I hate that. Problem with that, they were organized in metric and standard bolts. Nuts. Oh. We'll just throw them out. All right, back to what I was doing. This wheel lines up because this will move once it cools down. Turn it off. The welder. Whew, it's cold, man. Still, I can see where it's hitting. It's hitting right there. So I got it welded as best I can, but I need to do one more tack here, one more tack here, two more tacks here, and we're good. But I want to make sure I keep it the right way. Oh shit! I broke the welds. Whew! Avoided disaster there. Man, it's cold out today. Holy cow. Oh, keep the gloves on. Warm me up. Warm me up, Scotty! I can! Alright, I got that. There we go. Perfect. Let's continue fucking welding this up. Fire in the hole! Fire in the hole! Lot of booger welds, I'll clean it all up, don't worry. Don't worry about my fucking welding. Since I'm not putting gears on it just yet, put a brake on it. I'm gonna adjust this up to an easier gear. Wrong screwdriver. Oh, my back. Interesting. Now I know why this derailleur begin with. Well, I gotta get a new derailleur, but that's least of my problem. One bolt is seized. Interesting. Very interesting. See, I never even noticed that. Like, when in doubt, use a croissant wrench. Oh, look at that. I never even noticed that. Look at the adjustment screws. This one here, fudged, man. Yeah, look, like it's bent. Oh yeah, it is bent. Oh, you can see right inside there. Yeah, it's bent. Weird, I've never seen that before. Wow. Fuck you. That'll work. We're gonna use a Shimano 600 derailleur, and what I've done is I bought a bunch of these derailleur hangers, different length. So we're gonna use that. It's screwed right on there. It's perfect. Yeah, that's gonna work. Whee! I wonder what Madonna's doing today. I know what Willie's doing. Oh man, puffing up a storm. We're good. Well, what are you doing here? There we go. Oh yeah. Zero these out. There we go. That's good. Take a nice little gear. It's only going to be a few motion range of gears. For now, I just want to ride it with an easier gear. This one will be a little bit easier. Yeah, perfect. Found this compressor in the garbage. Friend gave me a hose. Fucking works fine. Where are you? Alright. Okay. We're gonna climb up my sketchy ladder again. Why not? Here we go. Let's see here. Roll. There we go. My newer brake handle. Alright, cables, new and used. Here's some old one. Oh, here's an old one. It might work. Braid, but let's see if we have enough. Nope, we use a new one. Brake housing. I have enough length. So I gotta route it a certain way. Came up with this rerouting here. Because, I wonder what Matt Carter's up to today. I love that guy, man. He is my inspiration to a lot of things. Alright, so we're gonna reroute it like this. This is gonna work. The brake, very cheap brakes here. Oh. Not gonna cut this yet. All right. Now we just gotta do a little bit of tightening up here, because you see, a little loose steering's gonna be wiki wonka. I just snug it up. I'll just take this off here. Bang, it hits top of the line pipe stand. There we go. Nice.